Mels in West Hollwyood. It's closed. It used to be open all the time. It says 24 hours. Maybe it is. It doesn't look like it. 1947. Sitting out here Sunday nights. I gotta go to work at 11. It's dead, it's quiet, and I gotta drive to UCLA and work at the hospital. And the night life is coming alive. Everybody's gonna be having fun, and I'm not. And I'm making diddly squat money. Diddly squat nothing. The expenses I kept at about $1,900 a month in 2011. And it's like, yeah, about 1,500, 1,800. I try to keep my expenses down. I was starving, hungry, all the expenses, and only took in 1,400. I was working over 40 hours a week. After tax. That's it. That's how quiet is that. I've seen Ron Jeremy out here. It might be open, actually. Brian Wilson sat in the front. I met the guy that wrote Great Balls of Fire in the left booth there. It's this left booth. He came over to me. I was writing in a toilet paper roll. It's a typewriter. He asked me what I was doing. We chit-chatted. I said that he wrote Great Balls of Fire. So, liked what I was doing. I certainly love what he did. Love that song. It's a good song. Brian Wilson's booth here in the front. Used to walk Beverly Hills Park every morning. And I came in here once. He seemed like frightened when I walked in. And I was working on a typewriter and toilet paper roll right here. And he was up over there. And it looks like he just wanted to get out of there. Like he was, I don't know, very uncomfortable. I was here another time and I met Lori Gurin. I think we sat here. Producer, she was affiliated with the Howling, and had a gig in Malibu I was sent to, maybe write for some folks and all that stuff. And did some negotiation on optioning a book of mine, and KEN EULO was involved, and we did that on Sunset. Andrew Dice Clay was there in that same booth. One day he had a couple girls there. And he was talking with, I don't know if he's looking or not. So this is Mels. And so much more, as they say.